Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial, I guess, on how to use Turtle Beach headset on a computer that doesn't have a mic plug-in. So yeah, I'm using my MacBook Air for this. So, and I also will be showing you guys how to get rid of feedback from the microphone. So yeah, just a few tips that I learned off the internet, and I hope this will help you guys too. Also guys, before we begin, I just wanted to show you guys that this is not fake. This is 100% real. I did not have a microphone jack on my laptop, so yeah. So first off, what you guys need is a USB audio adapter. This I got from Memory Express. I'll put a link in the description below where you guys can buy one. Second, you need some sort of energy source, not your laptop, because that's what creates the feedback. So something like this portable charger. And third of all, you need your headset, a headset that has a mic, of course. So as you guys can see, my Turtle Beaches. And something that I didn't show here is you also need a Mac or a computer of some sort. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the microphone jack and the headphones or whatever, the plug-in, and you're going to plug them in to your little USB sound card or adapter. And then from there, you're going to take your USB that powers the headset and you're going to plug that into your little third-party power source. And now what you guys want to do is take the little USB audio adapter and plug it into your laptop. Alright, so now that you guys got everything plugged in and everything's ready to go, what you're going to do is search up system preferences, or you can just click on the little Apple logo, and right here, click on that. But now what you're going to do is you're going to go into sound, and you're going to see two options here for the input. So there's the internal microphone, so that is a bit worse, but it's not as good as your mic that you're going to be using. And then what you're going to choose is you're going to choose the USB audio device for your microphone. And now over here there's also another thing here, and remember you plugged in your headphones into that little USB adapter. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little USB audio device as well, and if you have internal speakers and if you're going to use that, then it just doesn't work, the microphone doesn't work. So yeah, if you want to have the microphone working, then do not use internal speakers. That will not let your microphone work. So you guys are probably wondering now, how do I use my microphone when recording? So what I use is QuickTime Player, and what you're going to do is you're going to find QuickTime Player on your dock and right click on it. And then from there you're going to see a little square thing or a rectangle, and then you're going to find a little record button and a little triangle beside it. You're going to click that little triangle. And then from there you're going to find a little drop down, and then you're going to see a USB audio device option, and you're going to click on the little USB audio device option so that you can record. Now, final step is to hit the record button and record whatever you need, whether it be for your school or you're gonna do some like gaming videos. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys a lot. It helped me when I first got my Turtle Beaches. I was like hopeless. I thought that it wasn't gonna work until I searched online and I found a few videos that helped me. So yeah, I hope this helped. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.